show you off in Lambos out on Collins. I be
Your immune system is incredibly complex. It has to be strong enough and sophisticated enough to fight off a variety of illnesses and infections, but not so strong that it overreacts unnecessarily, causing allergies and other autoimmune disorders to develop. To operate in such a delicate balance, your immune system is tightly controlled by a variety of inputs. But despite its complexity, there are everyday lifestyle habits you can focus in to help give your immune system what it needs to fight off an infection or illness. Here are 5 science-backed ways to ensure your immune system has everything it needs to function optimally. Welcome to the Teach Me Health channel. In this video, I will provide you 5 habits that you can incorporate into your daily life to make your immune system stronger. So without any further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Work out regularly. Physical activity isn't just for building muscles and helping yourself de-stress. It's also an important part of being healthy and supporting a healthy immune system. One way exercise may improve immune function is by boosting your overall circulation, making it easier for immune cells and other infection-fighting molecules to travel more easily throughout your body. In fact, studies have shown that engaging in as little as 30 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise every day helps stimulate your immune system. This means it is important to focus on staying active and getting regular exercise. Number 2. Lower down your stress. Whether it comes on quick or builds over time, it's important to understand how stress affects your health, including the impact it has on your immune system. During a period of stress, particularly chronic stress that's frequent and long-lasting, your body responds by initiating a stress response. This stress response, in turn, suppresses your immune system, increasing your chance of infection or illness. Stress is different for everyone, and how we relieve it is too. Given the effect it can have on your health, it's important to know how to identify stress, and whether it's deep breathing, meditation, prayer or exercise. You should always get familiar with the activities that help you reduce stress. Number 3. Eat a healthy diet regularly. As with most things in your body, a healthy diet is a key to a strong immune system. This means making sure you eat plenty of vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grain, lean protein and healthy fats. In addition to providing your immune system the energy it needs, a healthy diet can help ensure you are getting sufficient amounts of the micronutrients that play a role in maintaining your immune system, including vitamin 6 found in chicken, salmon, tuna, bananas, green vegetables and potatoes with the skin. Vitamins found in citrus fruits, including oranges and strawberries, as well as tomatoes, broccoli and spinach. Vitamin E found in almonds, sunflower and sunflower oil, sunflower seeds, peanuts, butter and spinach. Since experts believe that your body absorbs vitamins more efficiently from dietary sources rather than supplements, the best way to support your immune system is to eat a well-balanced diet. Number 4. Drink water more frequently. Water plays many important roles in your body, including support in your immune system. A fluid in your circulatory system called lymph, which carries important infection-fighting immune cells around your body, is largely made of water. Being dehydrated slows down the movement of lymph, sometimes leading to an impaired immune system. Even if you are not exercising or sweating, you are constantly losing water through your breath, as well as through your urine and bowel movements. To help support your immune system, be sure you're replacing the water you lose with water you can use, which starts with knowing how much water you really need. Number 5. Get sufficient sleep. Sleep certainly doesn't feel like an active process, but there are plenty of important activities happening in your body when you're not awake, even if you don't realize it. For instance, important infection-fighting molecules are created while you sleep. Studies have shown that people who don't get enough quality sleep are more prone to getting sick after exposure to viruses, such as those that cause the common cold. To give your immune system the best chance to fight off infection and illness, it's important to know how much sleep you should be getting every night, as well as the steps to take if your sleep is suffering. Maintain these great daily habits and build a stronger immunity. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.